just believe that tomorrow never comes. Cause if not, I'm living in a moment of a dream. I know the night is not as it would seem. I must believe in something, so I'll make myself believe that this night will never go.